Hello, thanks so much for taking a look at our videos here at Guarantee. My name is Barbara, Barbara D at Guarantee. Today I'm going to talk with you about a North Trail, really nice product. A North Trail caliper, it's a 21 RBSS. So it's got a lot of features. It comes with an electric power jack, so it's easy to get on and off the ball. It has 2 full tanks and a cover. It's got a nice deflective front on it, so as you're driving down the road, you don't feel any kind of resistance. It's a fiberglass shell, and when you go in, that's really when the, the glamour and the comfort happens. This small trailer features a king bed. It also has a full-size oven and a full-size refrigerator. Lots and lots of storage, lots of counter space. And instead of just having a funky little spot to sit down, it's got a lovely sofa. And that's one of the things you often lose when you're in a smaller trailer. When something that's under 25 feet, you don't get any kind of a sofa at all, so you end up sitting on the bed. So I want to invite you to come out to Guarantee, hop online and take a look at this trailer. But first of all, call me, or at least call me after you've looked at it. I'd like to hear what you have to say about the trailer and any questions that you have. So my name is Barbara D at Guarantee. I'm looking forward to helping you and learning with you and teaching you a few things. Call me on my cell phone. It's 541-521-4232. And thanks for taking a minute out.